Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am sharing how I decorate my fireplace mantle here in my family room for the Christmas season. So these are the items I brought up from storage, and I didn't end up using all of these items because my mantle space is not very big. So I'm kind of limited as to how much I put on there. Sometimes I just add the garland and that's it. I just keep it pretty simple, but this year I kind of want to add quite a few more things. And as you can see, I am using the traditional Christmas colors, which I love, the red, green, and gold, and plaid, my favorite things to use, ribbons to use, or even pillows. I love the tartan plaid. They're my favorite things to use at Christmas time. So I will be adding that to the garland as well. Now I thought I wanted to make the garland like really full, so I brought up some extra greenery, but I didn't end up using it because once I placed all of the ribbons and the extra ornaments on there, it turned out really nice. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like it and leave me a comment. I really enjoy hearing from you, and please consider subscribing. Thank you all so much for stopping by. I so appreciate it. So please enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.